everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mid-Alabama Bassin. It is November 23rd. I think it's 1:30 currently. Not 100% sure, alright? But today we are going to be doing a Christmas vlog. Now we're going to start a new series, and it's the Christmas vlog series. Yeah, I know it's not 100% Christmas yet, but let's go ahead and start it early. Today, basically what we are going to be doing is we are going to go to Home Depot, and we are going to go get us a Christmas tree. So stay tuned for that. Also stay tuned for more upcoming Christmas vlogs, which will be coming very, very soon when it comes to decorating the house, or the day that we actually get downstairs and we actually start opening presents. But just know, everybody, Christmas time, any holiday, it's all about family, and that's the most important part. And you guys are my family, and I want to entertain you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog series. I want that one too. Yeah, that's a good tree. I like that one. Well, we have officially gotten the tree on top of the Jeep, and we have our Christmas tree. Yep, we got the Christmas tree. We're gonna go home and we're gonna set it up in a minute, and then we're gonna, maybe in a couple of days, we're gonna set up all the ornaments and get it all decorated. Stay tuned on the channel, and yeah, let's go to the house. I've made it home. Hey there, beautiful. Yep, she's doing all right, guys. Hey, Riley. Hey, bud. Hey. Well, everybody, we are officially home, and we are about to go set up the Christmas tree downstairs. I might video that, but stay tuned to the channel because I'm going to video us decorating the tree in a few days whenever the limbs start to lay down. I'm going to be decorating the outside of the house, so stay tuned with that too. It should look pretty sick.